One thread out of place and the whole piece could unravel. At this tartan factory in Scotland's Loch Carron, employees carry out painstaking work to create the iconic Scottish pattern in more than 1,500 different designs. World-famous designers including Jean-Paul Gaultier and Vivienne Westwood have bought material from this factory. Almost half the entire production is exported, and the company is afraid of a Brexit impact.
The EU referendum might be threatening to your business because there might be additional costs. There's going to be a period when the markets are unsettled. The currency fluctuations will have an impact on the business.
If new customs barriers are put up and the currency weakens, importing new machinery from Germany or Austria could cost more than before. The whisky industry is equally concerned at the prospect of the UK leaving the European Union. Scotch accounts for a quarter of the country's food and drink exports, which is why producers are keen to be involved in negotiations and protect this key business.
We're in touch with government here in Scotland and down in London, but also active in Brussels, making sure that we understand what's a very fluid situation as far as possible. If there's one thing that business likes, it's certainty, and there's a lot of uncertainty at the moment. And the industry is trying to navigate through that to make sure that we continue to sell a successful product.
More than 60% of the Scottish population voted to stay in the EU, and some are calling for a new Scottish independence referendum. Scotland's First Minister Nicola Sturgeon's working hard to protect her country's status within the EU.
Right now, an India referendum number 2 is not our priority. The priority for us and the priority for all politicians is now to ensure that the preservation and a new development model for a trading partnership with Europe, with European business that works for us all.
As the Scottish economy slows, many here see the preservation of ties to the single market and Scotland's unique exports as more important than ever.